Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best standing desk is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can own, especially if you're looking to upgrade your home office. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of standing desks with storage, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you decide if one is right for you. We'll cover everything from the adjustable height to the integrated storage solutions, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. Ameriwood Home Coleton Standing Desk, Espresso. This standing desk from Ameriwood Home allows you to work from a standing position. It has a sturdy metal frame and a classic espresso finish. The desk's laminated particleboard surface and shelves offer a clean look that complements any decor. It's designed to last, providing both style and functionality. Keep your work essentials organized with a large work surface. It has space for your laptop, stationery, and even family photos. The desk also features 3 open shelves for storing books and papers. The desk stands at 42 inches tall, giving you the option to stand while working or use a tall chair. It offers flexibility for your work style. The desk ships flat and requires assembly. It can hold up to 80 pounds on the surface, with varying weight capacities for the shelves. 2 adults are recommended for assembly. With over 30 years of experience, Ameriwood Home provides a wide range of home furniture. The company has become a leader in ready-to-assemble furniture. What we like. This desk features a classic espresso finish that matches any decor. It offers a large work surface and A-frame shelves for organized storage. If you are looking for a desk that blends seamlessly into your home office while providing ample storage and a comfortable standing height, you should consider this one. What people say. This desk at 42 is the perfect height for me to stand and do my paperwork comfortably. The shelves are great since the desk top is not oversized. The shelves give me a place to put all my supplies. This desk is sturdy but not overly heavy. Number 4. AODK 55-inch electric standing desk with drawers. This AODK standing desk features a built-in power outlet with multiple outlets and USB ports, perfect for charging your devices. It also includes LED lights with 20 different modes to create the ideal atmosphere for your workspace. The desk offers ample storage with 2 cloth drawers and a keyboard tray, keeping your office accessories within easy reach. The iron structure of the drawers saves you time by reducing assembly steps. The ergonomic design includes a monitor stand to reduce strain on your back and neck. It also provides extra storage for your office supplies, helping you maintain a tidy workspace. Easily adjust the desk's height from 29.9 to 46.1 inches. It also has 3 memory settings, allowing you to quickly switch between your preferred heights with the touch of a button. A hidden cable management tray keeps your desk tidy and organized. You won't see any wires until you need them, ensuring a clean and clutter-free workspace. The desk comes with detailed instructions and clearly labeled parts. You can easily assemble it step by step, making setup a breeze. What we like. This desk includes built-in power outlets and USB ports, along with drawers and a keyboard tray for maximum convenience. It also features adjustable height settings. If you need a desk that offers a complete solution with power, storage, and adjustability, this is the one for you. What people say. Beautiful sleek design, clean, simple with some storage, very detailed instructions in plain English, not choppy or obviously translated, amazingly quiet motor, it moves up and down smoothly and doesn't jump or skip at all, good and detailed packaging for assembly, built-in lights with tons off modes and brightness options, built-in power strip with 3 outlets and 2 USB ports, 1 after light control plugged in, from 30 to 46 inch tall with adjustable preset settings, 1, 2, 3 for preferred heights, secondary shelf for laptop, monitor printer, etc. The electric height adjustment is super smooth and quiet, and it works perfectly with our walking pad when it's elevated. It is very heavy, so beware, but I would rather it be heavy than flimsy. The quality is a lot better than I expected. You can even set your heights. My chair is taller than most, so I set it to go down to right before the chair and it never touches it. It is very quiet, way quieter than I expected. The lights are cool, I don't really use them, but they are fun every once in a while. Overall, this exceeded my expectations on every single level. Number 3. YITAHOME Rolling Height Adjustable Desk. Tired of low battery warnings? This desk has a built-in charging station with USB ports and outlets. It also comes with a long power cord for easy access. Need to switch between sitting and standing? This desk's height adjusts from 25.6 to 41.34 inches. The wheels let you move it around, and 2 of them lock for stability. Get the perfect angle for any task. The tabletop tilts from 0 to 45 degrees for comfortable drawing or reading. The other side stays flat for your essentials, and a stopper keeps everything in place. Keep your workspace tidy with the desk's open storage shelf. A side storage bag and hook provide extra space for headphones and other items. Don't worry about complicated setups. This desk is designed for easy assembly, even for beginners. Detailed instructions and pre-labeled parts make it simple, and support is available if you need it. What we like. This desk has a convenient charging station with USB ports and outlets, and it's portable with wheels for easy movement. The tiltable tabletop is perfect for drawing or reading. If you like a desk that offers mobility and flexibility for various tasks, you should consider this one. What people say. I love how the top has several angle adjustments. I have a lovely recliner in my bedroom, so I wanted something I could wheel out when using and push back against the wall when not in use. This glides well. I love the storage capacity with the little shelf that holds my extra tools, and the bin on the side that holds my extra drills. Number 2. Stand Steady Joy Standing Desk, stylish and ergonomic. Introducing the Joy Standing Desk, a beautiful addition to any home office. Designed with a distressed white wood grain finish and sleek metal legs, it elevates any room with its style. This desk is designed with your well-being in mind. The 40-inch height helps keep your spine aligned, promoting a more active and comfortable workday. The built-in shelf keeps screens at ergonomic eye level. Keep your accessories organized with the Joy Desk spacious storage cubbies. From books to snacks, these storage cubes can fit it all, keeping everything within easy reach. Enjoy over 7 square feet of desktop space, plus a bonus shelf. This provides plenty of room for your double monitor setup and all your work essentials. Don't let its slim design fool you. This desk is incredibly sturdy, supporting up to 60 pounds. Sturdy steel legs combined with stabilizing crossbars ensures a wobble-free workday. Use it as a tall reception table or standing desk. What we like. This desk has an ergonomic design with a built-in shelf and spacious storage cubbies. It's also sleek and sturdy. If you are looking for a stylish and functional desk to keep your workspace organized and comfortable, you should consider this one. What people say. It offers cord management and cubbies to keep a few things out of sight. I enjoy having my monitors on the raised shelf. It allows ample room for keyboard workspace. Number 1. FLEXISPOT 47.2x 23.6 Electric Drafting Table. This desk features a powerful motor for seamless height adjustment. It helps reduce strain on your neck, back, and waist. There are 4 preset levels for all family members. The tabletop can tilt from 0 to 40 degrees. This allows for seamless transitions between different activities. You can adjust it for comfortable writing, reading, or artistic creations. This craft table includes a space-saving, foldable side table. It provides extra workspace, perfect for small spaces. A storage drawer keeps your stationery organized. Designed for artists, students, and professionals, it adapts to a variety of tasks. From writing and reading to drawing, crafting, and painting, this desk is to unleash your creativity. The package includes everything you need for easy assembly. The clear manual allows you to assemble the various parts together easily. You'll have it set up in no time. What we like. This desk offers effortless height adjustment and a tilting tabletop for various tasks. It also features a collapsible side table for extra workspace. If you are an artist, student, or professional looking for a versatile desk to unleash your creativity, you should consider this one. What people say. The height is adjustable up to 48-inch, which is much higher than several others. The top tilts at any angle within its range, no presets. The spacious drawer, and it is truly spacious, as far as desk drawers go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.